Lewis here, Rshackbbq and other things. Well, today I'm gonna do a dip. Now, I was thumbing through the old TikTok. By the way, we have a TikTok at Rshackbbq. Check us out. And I came across one of my favorite barbecue guys, Malcom Reeds from How to Barbecue Right. And he made this dip, and oh my, I was like wanting to lick my phone because it looks so good. Anyhow, we're gonna make it, and I'm gonna show you the ingredients he used and how he did it, and we'll take it and we'll try it. So let's see what the ingredients are. First thing you're gonna need is a good bowl like this. There's a bowl. Then what I've done is I've had this cube of butter out, so it's nice and soft at room temperature. We'll put that in the bowl. And then we have some cream cheese that I also have left out. Then we want to just mix these together best we can. Probably be easier with a better spatula than the one I'm using. Then you want about a half a cup of good old sour cream. And we're just going to eyeball that. Something like that. Get our spatula cleaned off. And then about a half a cup of mayonnaise. Something like that. We'll get those all mixed up. Alright, to our white mixture here, we want to add 1 pound or package of crumpled up bacon. So I fried this bacon up. I'm going to get that all down in there. Doesn't that look good? I'm going to mix it up. Then we want to add 1 package of cheddar cheese. Now you can do a blend. I'm just doing finely shredded sharp cheddar cheese, 8 ounces. Get that kind of mixed into it. And we want to add some scallions or green onions. Some of that in there. This is like a beautiful loaded potato mix too, I bet. Looks so good. And the last thing we want to add is 1 packet of ranch seasoning, tri-pack. That mixed in there. How's that look? Get all this goodness off of there. Now what we want to do is cover it up and put it in the fridge for an hour. Alright, we'll get into it in an hour. Alright, it's been a good hour. Here's our dip. Look at that. So when Malcom did his, he saved a little bit of that bacon and he sprinkled it on the top. I didn't do that, but I did save some of the green onions, so we'll just put some color into this. And we'll do chip, and we'll try it. He recommends scoops, so that's what I got. Get a good scoop of this. Ooh, it's kind of doesn't that look good? Cheers. Wow. Wow. That's all I can say about that. Wow. Like I said, this would probably make a great loaded potato filling too. Maybe even jalapeno poppers. Oh yeah. That's a banger. Yeah. And so you saw how I did that, where I took the cream cheese and the butter, I let them reach room temperature and I mixed them together. Then I added about a half a cup of sour cream and then a half a cup of mayonnaise. Then we mixed all that together, threw in a full packet of 8-ounce packet of sharp cheddar cheese. Like I said, you can get the blend mix too, and it'll work fine. Then we took bacon that a full package of bacon that I fried up and crumpled, put that in it, and a full package of Hidden Valley Ranch dry seasoning, and we mixed all that together. We took it and we stuck it in there. Oh, and then I added green onion that I cut up and mixed all that together. Then we stuck it in the fridge, covered for a little over an hour. And this is what we got. Deliciousness. So good, I'm gonna have to have some more. Oh yeah. So, you can do this too. It's not that hard. Thank you for watching, my friends. And grill on.